Girls, it's an emergency. I am on vacation and I need to do my hair in literally 20 minutes because I'm about to get dressed and go out. I'm about to get into the tea later, but I'm just letting y'all know what we're doing today, okay? So I'm currently in Mexico for my birthday. I'm on a little trippy trip to Tulum. And at first I had it in a sew-in, but kind of ruined it in the ocean. It happens. I'm an adventurous girl, so we're here now. And I have this really cute little pop-on closure wig. Y'all know I love the Bye Bye Knots wigs. I have a really cool wig from Beauty Forever. All the details will be down in the little description bar. This is her. It's a Bye Bye Knots closure wig. She's nice and wide with the airy lace in the back. A really good thick elastic band. Lots of combs and this really nice like silicone grip strip. So she should keep me together. She should hold me together for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and just tighten up this elastic band, just a teensers, because I really do want my wig to like be on there, girl. And I have a big head, so I just tightened it up a little bit, but this is what she's given so far. She's an 18-inch water wave unit, and I kind of want to go for like that short scissor vibe. So we're gonna add a couple of layers, but not too much. And yeah, I'm gonna install her right out of the pack. On vacation, literally, I just took the packaging off and I'm about to get into her. So like I said, I was wearing a sew-in and I actually went ahead and washed my hair today. So it's like curly and poofy. Ooh, it smells good. But she's giving curly, poofy, a hot mess, quite frankly, girls. So we're gonna fix her. I use coconut oil as like body lotion pretty much. So I like melt it and then I pour it into these little containers and just kind of squeeze it up as I need it. So taking a little bit of coconut oil, I'm gonna just apply this to my hair before I braid it up for the wig. I want to switch my hair up a lot on this trip, so because I'm kind of trying to get, you know, a little content, honey. So I want to just moisturize it and kind of braid it in a way where I can switch my hair up often. So I'm just applying that oil to the ends of my hair and to my little roots. Then I'm going to go in with my comb and part my hair straight down the middle all the way to the back of my head. And essentially I'm going to just put my hair in like pigtails as my braided pattern. It's a curly wig, so she's pretty forgiving. So we don't have to go too hard on the braiding pattern. I have been obsessed with this Cantu Shea Butter. I don't know if that's the name of the brand, but the Cantu detangling brush. One, because it's black and hella cute, because yes, please give me minimalist vibes. And two, because I really like the way it detangles my hair. And it's also like the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So I parted my hair in half, and now I'm just gonna separate the hair into 3 sections to give a little pigtail braid moment. I like to start with my hands behind my head so I can get it nice and like flat and tight, and then I kind of bring it around to the front to finish the bottom of the braid. Do you guys watch my videos to do your own hair, or do you watch my videos and your hairstylist? Because I kind of feel like most of my subscribers are DIY girlies, and that's why I kind of focus on tips and tricks that I use to do my own hair. But I want to know, are you like a stylist and you come for a little inspo, or are you a DIY girly like me? I rarely pay to get my hair done. The only thing I really pay for is to get my hair cut. And that's just because I'm not trying to mess my hair up or mess my cut up at all. I'm a little tipsy, can y'all tell? Okay, now we have to do this side. Towards the end of the braid, if I like made one of the sections a little smaller, I kind of borrow a little hair from the other sections and just finish it all the way to the bottom. I'm making it seem like we're doing some spicy girl. We're just popping some pigtails in here, okay? I had my little baby hairs done earlier because I was wearing my hair in that little clip up, but I'm gonna just comb those back. And this is it. This is what we're doing for the braiding pattern. I don't think I want to do a ball cap, because realistically, like, I would do it for a video, but realistically, like, right now, who has time? So I'm gonna just pop on my little wig cap, and I kind of tuck the braids in the back. So I pulled out a little bit of baby hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop her on. I went ahead and tucked the comb in the back, and now I'm just kind of tucking the combs on the side and making sure my wig cap is not out because it's windy out here. And I don't need my business in the streets. So you kind of want to place the comb in front of the cap. So now we just have to kind of clean everything up. I hate when it's like scraggly hairs. Let me get her together. Okay, I'm gonna plug in my hot comb. Y'all know about my hot comb on vacation because it's me, Jessica. So I have my, what is this? The Andes hot comb. It goes from 1 to 20. I put it on 15. I don't want it super hot, but I need her to do the job. So essentially, I just want to blend in my natural baby hair here with the wig and blend the baby hairs from the wig and give swoopity swoop, because they already came pre-swoop. So honestly, it's giving soft baby hair. I don't have to do much to it. Like literally, look, they're perfect. So when I'm doing like mixing my baby hair in with the wig baby hairs, I like to do my baby hair before I lay the lace down. I'm gonna get a little bit of this Eben New York edge control. I got the little mini travel size one. She's so cute. And essentially, I'm just focusing on adding baby hair to blend in where you can kind of see the lace. So I want to give sideburn for sure, a little sideburn swoop. And then we're gonna leave the swoopity swoop alone, but I'm kind of swooping right here where the wig connects to cover her up so we give it frontal. Yeah, see how? Yeah, I can't even get it out, but yeah, y'all see what it's giving. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of edge control right here on these swoops as well, just because I want it to be soft but still like laid. So I'm kind of molding her and make sure that all of the hair from right here is going straight back, because you don't want like your swoop starting from the middle. That's a little crazy. So boom. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so the baby hair is cute. I kind of need to swoop it a little bit more right here. But you can really finesse these closures to make them look like frontals, and I love that because they are so much easier to install. And like, it's taking me a little bit of time because I'm doing it with you guys, but if I was by myself, I literally could have put this wig on in 5 minutes. Like, so let's clean up the part. Let's go for a cute little middle part. I cannot get my middle part straight anymore. Like, girl, work with me. Hold on. I gotta center myself. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. We might have action. Okay, you could stop here, but I'm about to go out. And I need a little bit more security. I'm gonna go with a little bit of concealer on an angled brush and run that right down the part to get everything nice and blended in and kind of give it a little bit extra definition. And then any civilized individual at this point will go in with a diffuser, but I like my hair kind of big and messy, especially when I'm going for like this big kind of loose curl vibe. So instead of using the diffuser, I kind of just shake the blow dryer over my head like a crazy woman and it comes out perfect. But listen, do what you will. I'm gonna put this on high heat because I'm impatient. This is what I would actually do, okay? What you should do is put it on cool heat and diffuse with a little diffuser. I'm about to put it on high heat and literally just run over it until it gets really big and kind of like wild. Alright, so I touched up my makeup and I let my hair air dry about 20%. I blow dried about 80. I'm just gonna kind of flip it around, flip it out a little bit, and now she's giving. Get into it. For a little extra coverage, I'm gonna go in with my foundation powder and kind of give her a little patty pat pat. Where is that coming from? Why do I keep saying that? No one knows. We're gonna go with it. Okay, this is the finished vacation hair. If I get some full clips of my outfit, I'll show you guys my outfit, but you can't really see it right now. But what do you guys think? It was nice and quick, minimal product. I'm on vacation. Realistically, this would have took me about 10 minutes, including the blow drying, like maybe 3 minutes blow drying, 5 minutes getting dressed. Boom, you know, it's cute. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, let me know, because I can do more hair tutorials on vacation, because I'm gonna switch the wigs up. But let me know. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next one. Bye babes.